Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Marble Forest. A Marble Forest is a marble track as you have seen several of my other marble tracks. To be precise, you've seen Marble Castle. This is Marble Castle XXL, but then a smaller version. And for this one, it works with a smaller ball. So looking at this one, here we see the small ball following the castle. So when designing these marble castles, I came up with the idea of using the tree support. So instead of building the whole marble castle, I designed only the marble track that is on top, and then I used the slicer to make tree support to support the track. And surprisingly, it worked. I used a little trick. I designed a ghost cover over the track such that the slicer did not go into the cover. So that is the trick that I used. And of course, before making the big one, I also 3D printed a little version, and as you can see, it's quite organically grown. So you see the tree structure is different because, yeah, for a smaller version, the slicer used different settings. So yeah, there we have the small version with the marble going here, fortunately, I have more marbles, but it's always fascinating to see the marbles follow the track all the way down. Anyway, the purpose of Marble Forest was to demonstrate the use of tree support. And my question to you is about using tree support in puzzles. Do you know another practical application to use tree support as integral part of a puzzle? Thank you for watching.